Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to learn
Conversation questions. English, write letters A to L in practice paper. Number work, say and write numbers 1 to 50 in practice paper. EVS, match animals and their products in practice paper. Circle only farm animals in practice paper. Rhyme Alice the camel. Conversation questions. Question number 1. What do you say when you want to go to washroom? Answer. Please, may I go to washroom? Repeat along with me. Please, may I go to washroom? Okay. Now, question number 2. What do you say when someone gives you something? What do you say when someone gives you something? You will say, thank you. Okay. Question number 3. What do you say when you want something? When you want something, what do you say, kids? You will say, please give me. Repeat along with me. Please give me. What do you say when you are late to the class? You'll say, excuse me, teacher. Please, may I come in? Repeat along with me. Excuse me, teacher. Please, may I come in? Okay?
Hello children, welcome back. In today's session, we'll be starting revision for term 2 exams. Can you all see this page? This is your English revision worksheet page. What is the first section given? Write small letters from A to L. Yes? So, for today we'll be doing this section. Only this section. And dear parents, please write on top of the page, write date on top of the page for your child, and you can mention the name and section as well as. Today we'll be doing this first section. Write small letters from A to L. Children, we'll start by writing small letter A. Can you all see how many lines are given? Yeah, 4 lines are given. Yes? So we'll be writing small letter A in these 2 center lines. Can you see these 2 center lines are darker, are dark. Keep the pencil on this center line. Draw left curve. Then do not lift your pencil. Go up and come down. Small letter A. Small letter A. Then give one finger space and write small letter B. Standing line. Draw a standing line till these 2 center lines. Do not lift your pencil. Go up and write curve. Small letter B. Small letter B. Again give one finger space. Now which letter comes after B? Letter C. C is easy, just a left curve. Small letter C. Small letter C. We write only in these 2 center lines. Give one finger space and we'll be writing small letter D. Are we writing from the topmost line? No. We are writing from these 2 center lines. Draw a left curve, go up, standing line, draw a standing line, come down. Small letter D. Small letter D. Now give one finger space and write small letter E. Keep the pencil in between these 2 center lines. Keep the pencil here. Draw a sleeping line. Go up and a left curve. Small letter E. Yes? Now give one finger space. Which letter comes? Small letter F. Keep the pencil below this topmost line. Draw a hook. Go up. Standing line and a sleeping line. Small letter F. Small letter F. Now comes letter G. Keep the pencil in these two center lines. Draw a left curve. Go up. Draw a standing line and a small hook. Small letter G. Give one finger space. We'll be writing small letter H. Keep the pencil on this topmost line. Draw a standing line and a curve. Small letter H. H. Give one finger space and write small letter I. Small letter I we write only in these two center lines, standing line and a dot. Small letter I. How do we write small letter J? We write from this center lines. Draw a standing line till the last line, then a hook and a dot. Small letter J. Now give one finger space. Here comes letter K. Standing line. Keep the pencil in between these two center lines. Draw a slanting line and one more slanting line. Small letter K. Now comes, give one finger space. We'll be writing small letter L. Just a standing line. Draw a standing line. Small letter L. Now let's quickly revise. A, small b, small c, small d, small e, small letter F, small letter G, small letter H, small letter I, small letter J, small letter K, small letter L. Can you all see, children? All these letters, there's a one finger space in between them. Do write neatly. Thank you everyone. See you all tomorrow. We'll be doing next section tomorrow. Take care.
Good morning, my dear lovely children. Children, today we'll do revision practice in number work practice paper. Second term practice papers, number work. On the top left side, write today's date. Write your name here and section here. Now we are going to do first bit, say and write numbers from 1 to 50. Now we'll start writing numbers. Always say and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Then go to next row. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. Children, like this, write numbers from 1 to 50. Please do practice this at home. Thank you very much, children. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Good morning, children. In today's session, we'll be doing EVS. This is your second term practice papers. We'll start with the first section, match the animal with their products. So, which is the first animal? It's a sheep. Can you all tell me sheep gives us what? Sheep gives us wool. So let's match sheep with wool. Now, which is the second image? It's a hen. Hen gives us eggs. So, let's see. Is this egg? No. Is this an egg? No. Is this an egg? No. Is this an egg? Yes. So let's match hen with egg. Now what is the next image? It's a cow. Cow gives us milk. Yes. So let's match cow with milk. Yes. And now, which is the last animal? It's a goat. Goat gives us meat. Goat gives us meat. Children, I have enjoyed doing this matching activity and learned about animal and with their products. Now let's see the second section. Circle only the farm animals. We'll find out farm animals and circle only farm animals. Now what is the first animal? It's a tiger. Is tiger a farm animal? No. Is hippopotamus a farm animal? No. Is cow a farm animal? Yes. So let's circle cow. Now, which is the next animal? Zebra. Is zebra a farm animal? No. Is sheep a farm animal? Yes. So let's circle sheep. Now, which is the next picture given? It's a hen. Is hen a farm animal? Yes. So let's circle hen. Is goat a farm animal? Yes. So let's circle goat. Is lion a farm animal? No. Is giraffe a farm animal? No. Is tiger a farm animal? No. So children, we have circled only the farm animals: cow, sheep, hen and goat. Hope you all will enjoy doing this activity. See you all in the next session. Till then, be happy and stay safe.
Thank you. See you again. Bye.